It was kind of a iffy day. We were actually still up on the day, but I'm going to be showing you exactly what trades I took and why. So let's get on into it. We're going to be going straight to here. First off, price is really screwed up right now. All right, so this was our first one. Basically, we had a huge inverse on the 5 minute time frame. Yeah, so we had a inversion right here that I was going to trade off of. Take this inverse, we start breaking to the upside. I'm like, oh, so we're gonna break back up to the upside. Also, what I didn't know, right here, we have news. I definitely did not know that that was news coming up, so kind of on me. Shouldn't have even put in these trades, but we did. So we kind of thought if it was going to go up off of this 5 minute inverse. We got higher highs, higher lows, kind of just consolidated out. Started going up, hit our stop loss actually right there. We were moving pretty well off of it. Thought we were, and then just came right back on down. Could have put it down here, but in the long run would have been stopped out anyways. I even tried again to get in here because I was like, oh my god, here we go. We are going to break this high and then break this high and move on up. But that was not what we wanted today. I even said yesterday I was going to try and target some lows, but I mean, what is this? We just consolidated out. We were just honestly, we were waiting for this to happen, the news. So on this note right here, I was down, I think it was almost 600 on these two. Kind of stupid to be honest, because I didn't realize news was coming out. Some sort of, what kind of news? It was some sort of like business. I don't even know. Some sort of business news about something. It used to be down here at the bottom, but I can't even click on it anymore. But sure enough, I saw that those two did not go our way, so I was like, okay, let's take a short off of these. So if we started taking a short off of these, I caught a great mark actually. We had some lows right here and down to here, and actually where we took everything out. But we get in 2 minutes later, news comes out. 2-3 minutes later, news comes out. Bam! Within 3 minutes, we're back to the upside. We're back up like 400 somewhere around there, and then we get this right here. Yeah, it's still going. Yep, all the way down to this previous 4 hour from I think it was last Monday ish, maybe even before that, this 4 hour. And I was like, oh my God. Yeah, that's the trade I took for, I think it was like 900, 1,000 ish. Then we moved way on down, and I kind of messed up a little bit. Didn't stay in, but we went from 800 down. We moved about $800 off of that point. But reason why I got in this one, reason number one being we are not creating new highs. We were down this morning. I entered in off of, let me even see here, this 1 minute to the downside, because when we broke structure back down to the downside and pushed past this low, I thought we were just going to reject this inverse, which we did a lot more than I thought we were. So, but little news boost, I guess you could call it a news boost, kind of set things straight. Maybe we get some good price action out of this. But not only that, but another trade we took was this tiny little one. It's a nice little one. We were moving like these candles were moving 296. They would have like $30 movements in them, and I knew we were going to retrace off of this just a little bit, just somewhat a little bit. So we come on in, and we actually retrace off of this, but we came down into this 4 hour. I was like, okay, retracing a little bit, retracing, and then this candle started coming on up once we broke there, or it was somewhere within here. I didn't actually put it out. As soon as I did it, we get in, Pops walks in the room, and then I'm like, okay, I'm up 200. I'm just going to hop out because I couldn't focus when he's in here talking to me about whatever it was. I don't even know. It just makes me lose my mind every once in a while, especially here, especially as soon as I get in a trade. But could have taken it up to there, but there was another, I think it was like 200, maybe 300 off of that right there. Could have taken it up a little bit more, probably up to here. But yeah, got in off of that 4 hour, just looking for a little retracement, and that's what we got. And then we push back down and continue out right here. So that is the trade recap. I'll show you guys the, what's it called? The full, I hate this. The full, all right, so the full P&L on the day is, we're up 600. Let me see. Average daily 600, 124 average winning. Up 600 today, I like it, but if we go, this is all from today down here at the bottom. Took 1, 2, 3 L's and 2 winnings. This was that little down one. If I would have stayed in, I could have made a lot more. But then this one down here was the other one, which turns out to be like around 200 for that bottom one. And we're up 600, and then we got our balance is now up to 56,130. So currently up 6,130 so far, and I think that this is my second week doing this on this account. So yeah,